Hello guys! Today we are going to delete the old movement system and make a new one. So first make new blocks. Name the first one platformer engine and run without refresh for everything. Second one Y engine and add an input and name it YVEL. Third one X engine and add an input and name it XVEL. Make three variables XVEL, YVEL, and CANJUMP. In Y engine, add change Y by YVEL. Add repeat until not touching ground. Add an if-else block, and inside the if block add YVEL greater than 0. Inside it add change Y by 1, and inside the else add change Y by -1. Now add set can jump to true or yes. Now under the if-else block add set Y velocity to 0. Now do as I do. I know this is very complex, but try to keep up. I accidentally make a huge mistake that will cause some error in your screen, so please pause this video and make it by looking the screenshot.
Go.